Hi, this is Buzz Cantor from American Iron Magazine, AIMag.com, down at Wheels Through Time. My friend Matt Walksler is getting ready to start up the DAH. This is possibly one of the only ones left in existence. And because it's direct drive, we're going to fire it right off of Dale's Racer. No clutch, no transmission, no brakes, no suspension. True board tracks tradition.
There you have it. One of a kind.
Once again, this is Buzz Cantor from American Iron Magazine, AIMag.com, down at one of my favorite places in the world, Wheels Through Time. Thank you, Matt Walksler, for firing up the DAH.